Give me the old 1-2. You want to beat Lexi up? What are you going to do to Lexi? What are you going to do to Lexi? Beat her up? Beat her up. Gotta bite my nose. Ow! Ooh. Lexi, come. What? What'd you do to the spider today? What'd you do to the spider? Would you? Yeah. Ow. The old 1-2? The 1-2? Get her. No. You're playing with me. I should just look at the videotape. Ow. Ow. You're gonna give me a black and blue eye. You're gonna beat the shit out of me. Ow. What? You wanna fight? Say something. Say something. Pat, pat, pat.
Smile for me, Daddy.
What? So what did you do today? Did you sit on the couch? You beat up somebody. Someone tried to get in our house? Did you let them do that? Did you? No, you hit them? Did you attack them? Did you bite them? You punched them in the face. And then again. And then what happened? Really? And then you sounded like a beast? And then what? Did they get out? Did you show them who's boss? You made them shut up? That's not very nice.